We have a feature in popular word processors like Microsoft Word to view a document's pages side by side, where the first page is on the left of side of the screen and the second page is on the right side of the screen, while we can scroll through the entire document in this view. However, this feature is unfortunately not yet available in the Google Docs. Let's now see two workarounds to get this feature activated within Google Docs. In the first method, we will see an option to get that two-page view for a Google Docs document within the same tab. Simply copy this code and go to your Google Docs tab and click on this three-dot menu. Click on More Tools and go to Developer Tools. Depending on your browser setting, you might see the Developer Tools in the bottom area or on the right side of your screen, like this. Now wherever it is shown, just right click anywhere on these texts and clear console. This is an optional step if you want to do, and then paste the code that we copied and hit the enter key on your keyboard. Now let's close this pane, the developer tools pane. You can see that a new page here gets activated, and once you scroll a bit, you will see the text slowly appearing with the two-page view. Now let's zoom out a little bit to fit the entire contents into my screen so that we can see both the views, both the pages side by side. That's it. You will now see a two-page view of the same document within the same browser tab successfully. The only problem with this view is that it will not help us for editing purposes. For example, when I try to edit the left side of the screen, it will allow me to do so, but I'll not be able to even click or select the text on the right side because of how this code splits the page view within this tab. Secondly, this code doesn't work in the viewing mode. It only works in the editing and suggesting modes. And if you want to get rid of this side-by-side view option, simply refresh your page. So that was the first method. For the second method, we can open the same doc in two different tabs, two different windows, copy this URL and open that same doc in another URL so that you will have both the windows having displayed the same doc. You can do this manually by opening the same doc URL again in a separate window, or use a browser extension to do that. I personally like the tab resize Chrome extension. It has got quite a few options that you might want to try. I'll provide all these links in the description below so you can check them out. That's it. Please hit the like button if this video helped you. Thanks for watching. Bye.